It's Science Lab. Today we're going to make lava lamp science experiments using food color. Today we need 2 glasses, food color, oil and Eno. Take a glass of oil and put different colors of food color one by one. You can see each drop floating in the oil, and it's not mixable with the oil. In this glass already we have little water, and pour the oil on it. Now I'm going to add Eno, and Eno it reacts with water. Make a lava lamp. Now add some Eno. Start to mix with the water and down. You can see friends, it start to get reactive, and like water drops, some drops are going up and some drops are going down. In the dark and light, it will looks like a lava lamp. And when the actual place is dark, and when the insides are lightable, it will look like a lava lamp, and it looks like space. In few minutes, in the upper side, it will looks like space out there. Oh my gosh, it's like a galaxy with stars and planets and universes. Oh my gosh, it's just unbelievable. It's a wishful treat for us. Actually, Eno has property of soda and vinegar. When add Eno with water, it reacts and start to release carbon dioxide and make bubbles move up and down. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more kids science experiments. Thank you.